In this video I'll show you how to make a very simple tool to make shallow screws for your soft plastic lures in just a couple of seconds. For this project I use a piece of wooden train track and old kitchen utensil handle. I used this train track because it was probably the hardest wood I could find in my workshop. With the help of a coin I draw a round shape on both ends of the tool. I cut a small piece from a wooden handle to make a handle for my project. With no templates I drilled 6 and 8mm holes on one end of my tool. Beside both of them I drilled 2mm holes which will hold the bending parts. Bending parts are made from L-shaped 2mm stainless steel wire. I clamped 8mm metal pipe in my vise, and with a Dremel tool I made a small cut in the middle of it. I repeated the same with the smaller 6mm aluminum pipe. Using aluminum pipe for this project is not the greatest thing, because aluminum is too soft and it's wearing out. The wire I'm using is a heavy duty 1.2mm stainless steel welding wire. With small round pliers I shaped a round loop. With those pieces prepared we can now start making our shallow screws. You will see how quick and easy it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button please. Feel free to share the video and make sure you're subscribed to my channel.